Hi guys, welcome to Solution Domain. It's Vikram here. Today in this video, when I open OBS in Windows 10, I'm getting black screen in display capture. So let us see how to fix OBS display capture black screen. Right click on your desktop and select Graphics Properties. In AMD Control Center, when you don't see much options, then click on Preferences and select Advanced View. Now you can see more options. Click on Power and select Switchable Graphics Applications Settings. Next select OBS and change its setting from High Performance to Power Saving. Click on Apply button. Now go back and open your OBS. Boom, there we can see our display capture. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.